Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 851 Shuman Lane in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath home in just a moment, but I'm going to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located in West Petaluma with close proximity to St. Vincent's High School as well as Cherry Valley Elementary School. There's a lot of nice features about this home, including this really large front deck, perfect for entertaining or sitting out eating a meal. There are shade cloths to help with the sun. There's a nice size garage, 2-car garage, back of the property, as well as a side yard. There's parking along the side of the house as well. Really beautiful view from here on the front porch of the Sonoma Mountains. So you come into the living room. Go ahead and shut the doors. So there's a nice size living room with a bay window, as well as an area for a more formal dining situation. Access to the kitchen, which has been updated and includes a gas range, lots of counter space. And I would call this area a nice family room / media room, additional eating area, access to the front front deck, and a half bath here. I'm going to take you downstairs. There is a basement here. This goes out to the side yard and to the garage. This will take you down the steps to a whole lot of storage and washer and dryer. This is a door that goes out to the side yard. So really nice space for additional storage. So back upstairs, family room area, and then the first bedroom. And it's a little unusual because there's access to the second bedroom through the bedrooms. Hall bathroom. And the primary bedroom. This is new plank vinyl flooring. And then back into the living room. So again, this is 851 Shuman Lane in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.